Sabi ni Crystal Mendoza, no hate attorney, but it wasn't a smart decision of Mayor Magalong to accept the ICI position. Why not? He can make it work. So ano gagawin natin? Wala na lang. Yun nga yung sinasabi ko sa inyo eh. We have to do something. The intention of the ICI was okay. Take for example, Mama Sapano. Okay. Mama Sapano incident, yung Board of Inquiry. Many people are saying also that that's not a smart decision to take the position. Why? Because they thought they can corrupt Magalong. They thought they can corrupt Mayor Magalong. But they were not able to. Ito ulit ang attempt nila dito. If we cannot corrupt him, at least cripple him. But they cannot do it.